Hello, my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to sort your dates in descending order in Microsoft Excel. And here we are in Excel. I've got this series of random dates that I've put together. It's important to note that the sorting only works if they're all in one column. Excel can't sort across rows, only in vertical columns. So we've arranged these into our vertical column, and if we select the row by hovering over the row label up here and getting that arrow, we can right-click, and usually it'll give us an option to sort. It's not doing that for us right now. I'll show you why. If we come over here underneath the Home tab and click Sort and Filter underneath Editing, instead of giving us the options of ascending or descending order like A to Z or Z to A, it's actually giving us the options of oldest to newest or newest to oldest, because Excel recognizes these are actually dates, and so it's going to sort them based on time rather than letters of the alphabet. So let's just sort these newest to oldest. And you can see, looking just by the year, that it has automatically sorted all of these days and months by the year into descending order. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to sort your dates in descending order in Microsoft Excel. If you have any other questions, please contact me at josiah@jraystudios.com. I'm Josiah Ray.